Hello, my good people. It's my hope that you are well. Now, the year of the Lord 2024 is coming to an end, and very soon, jingle bells will be the sound in the city, and also in the world of investment, the world of treasury bonds. The year is coming to an end because we already have the last offer of the year. The December 2024 deals on treasury bonds are already out. So if you intended to invest in treasury bonds in the year of the Lord 2024, risasi imebaki moja na ndio hii tunaendelea kuongelelea hapa. Now, we have three bonds that are on offer, and I have already posted a video for the first bond that is on offer. You can go check, and we go to the second bond that is on offer. That is the FXD1 stroke 2018 stroke 20. From the title, you can tell three things from that title. Number one, FXD1, that should notify you that that is not an infrastructure bond. That bond is subject to tax. That bond is subject to withholding tax. Whatever interest that you will earn, Zakayo lazima atachukua kitu hapo. Stroke 2018, that bond was initially offered in 2018, meaning it is a reopening, it is not a new bond. Then, stroke 20, that bond had a tenure of 20 years, but the bond was issued in 2018 with a tenure of 20 years. We are in the year of the Lord 2024. That means that around 6 years, 7 years has elapsed. So miaka imebaki ni around 13.3 years to the maturity of the bond. So if you get to invest in that bond today, you'll hold it for a period of 13.3 years. Now, the interest being paid by the bond is relatively low compared to the competitors wenye wamewekwa na to the other bond zenye wamepriziwa nayo, and definitely personally I will expect an other subscription in this board and over subscription in the other two boards, because the interest rate is at 13.2%, which is relatively low, but we'll come to check other aspects. And now that it is a reopening, we have to mention about accrued price, accrued interest, and dirty price. And this bond will have a accrued price of 95.1791 and a dirty price of accrued interest of 3.0462. That brings us to a dirty price of 98.2252. That means that a unit of the bond will likely sell at 98.2252, and this is where we say that the bond is selling at a discount. And what it means is that if you intend to invest 100,000, that is, you place a bid of 100,000, you will pay 98,225, but your principal will remain to be 100,000. The value date of the bond is the 9th of December 2024. That is when the transactions will be effected, and the bidding period has already started. That is, it started on the 21st of November. It will continue up to the 4th of December 2024. The minimum amount that you can invest in the bond is 50,000 as usual, and we say that any additional amount should be a multiple of 50,000. We mean that if it is not 50,000, it is 100, 150, 150, 200, 200 to 50. Huwezi sema ati uta invest 75,000, it is not a multiple of 50,000. And the bond pays coupons in the month of March and September. So this bond will assist you create a passive income that you will receive in the month of March and September. And it is subject to withholding tax, as we had mentioned, a 10% withholding tax. And we can do some few calculations, because it is always good to, when talking about money, it is always good to have some numbers, to attach some figures to a story. If you come and give people stories, they wouldn't make much sense. So it is good that we get to do some calculations, and we see how it goes. And we will be using an example of a principal of 100,000. So 13.2% of 100,000, that is 13,200. We subject that to a 10% withholding tax. That will give us a net interest of 11,880 per annum. And now we get to divide that by 2. We get 5,940. That means that in the month of March, you'll receive 5,940. In the month of September, you'll receive 5,940 for the next 13 years. So the redemption date is the 1st of March 2038, which might sound to be so far, but can assure you that it is not that far as it might sound. So that is the second bond that we have on offer. It is a bond that you can also consider. And remember that we have moved to the digital space. To invest in treasury bonds, you don't have to visit the Central Bank of Kenya. Neither do you have to know the CS Treasury, that is John Buddy, or even the CBK Governor, Duge Kamau. All you need to do is to have your capital. Go to Play Store or the store of whatever phone that you are using. You download the DAO CSD app, open an account, and it will be a seamless process without much hassles. You can check other videos that I've done on how to open an account, how to place a bid, what happens after your bid is successful. You can go check, and in case of any question, leave it at the comment section. So it's a wrap for the 2024 in the matters treasury bills, and I hope you have learned something in the course of the year. So hii ndio research ya mwisho ya 2024. Changamka.